Hello, my name is Gustavo Galas from copahost.com web hosting, and in this video we're going to talk about the HTML heading tags. A heading tag is meant to organize the topics of your HTML page. Whenever you have tags inside your web page, the heading tags are important for you to organize the topics of it. So the H1 tag is the biggest heading tag possible. It will show you the big topic tag, just like this. Now we are going to approach the H2 tag, which is a slightly smaller heading tag. So as you can see, the H2 tag is smaller than the H1 tag. Now we're going to do the H3 tag, which is smaller than the H2. As you can see, there is an hierarchy. The biggest the age tag is, the smallest the topic tag is. Now we're going to do from the H4 tag to the H6 tag. This way you can see the difference between them. So this is the basic difference between each heading tag. We're going now to place tags between the heading tags for you to see the behavior of it in the HTML file. For that, we're going to use the P tag, the paragraph tag. So this is the behavior. We have placed one H1 tag in the top here, and then we have placed a paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is used for longer texts. We will do the same, we'll place the same P tag after the H2 tag for you to see the behavior now. So the same happens. The tags appear right after the heading tag here, right after the smaller heading tag here. By copying the paragraph to right after the H3 tag, the very same occurs. Now I will need to show you the HR tag. The HR is the reading row tag, the horizontal bar. By placing the simply HR tag, you will see the horizontal bar all over the page right here. If we place more HR tags after this, we can see more horizontal bars here. So this is the behavior of the heading tags from H1 to H6, and then the behavior of the paragraph tags between them as well. In the next videos, we're going to talk about how to customize the heading tags, how to change their color, how to change their fonts, and give you more kinds of customization on them.